What's up, guys? Devin here. So, as 2022 comes to a close, there's so much to talk about. There's so many stories, but in particular, there's one thing that I'm very grateful for as 2022 comes to a close: the ALX program. Currently, I enrolled for ALX Cohort 9 in August 15th, and right now we are heading into the Christmas break, and it's been a very interesting 4 months, especially the first month. It was just that month where got past the probation period and just moving on so well. But my ALX experience has been phenomenal, excellent. Considering the fact that I pursued a degree in bachelor's in business information technology, a BBIT degree at the Multimedia University of Kenya. And also just to add on, I really had a passion for programming. I used to uh, put my open source my code. The problems I did when I was on campus, I used to put them on GitHub. I never knew like those skills that I acquired uh, prior would come in handy, especially in this ALX program where you have to put the code in, the checker runs on the things on GitHub. But overall, it has been a very good experience. I have done a lot in C. Okay, I hadn't coded in C in like 5 years. The last time I coded in C was in 2017. So when I saw C in 2022, I was like, you know what? I thought I could wing it, but man, the way Alexis does it is so different. Just learned how to manipulate the language. Right now we are currently doing C and Python, and going into data structures, and it's just been an overly great experience. I mean, words. I'm trying to find the words and to like put them all together, but you just have to be there and be consistent to be able to like understand the process. But one thing that I must say, when I started the you know my software engineering career way back like in 2015, that time I just didn't have like a lot of systems and mechanisms to get by and be able to solve problems, so it kind of dragged out through the years. So but having ALX, it definitely has been able to at least put some clarity in what I'm doing, and hopefully you know as I move deep into the program, maybe I can be able to tie up the loose ends and find some answers to some of the questions that I had some gray areas in my game. So um, I mean, this program has been phenomenal. I just don't know what to say, man. I mean, it's just been awesome. I met a lot of people along the way, and it has been one interesting way to close out the year, especially that run from August until December, this current month. Almost a week away to the new year in 2023. But 2022 has just closed out with a blast. And if I was to ask, Santa Claus, especially in this festive season, for a gift, I wouldn't even ask him anything, because I think that my Christmas came early when I just got into the ALX program. So, I mean, I'm just excited. There's so much to do. It's a 12-month program, 4 months in, 8 more to go, and it's more than I could have asked for. And I got in here with a goal to be one of the best software engineers in the country, and continuing the trajectory, the resilience skill that I've acquired through like the 4 months, that dream that I've had at the back of my mind, even the vision, will for sure come into fruition. But one thing that I must say about this program is this: the ALX software engineering track. It's not skill that will enable you to get to that level where you're going to be able to see it through to the end. Number one, you have to have a goal. I believe in life you have to have a goal in everything, and that's why it's so easy for athletes and sports personalities to succeed in sports like football and basketball, because they know they know their goal. Like in football, you have to score the goal in that square post. In basketball, you have to dunk the ball inside the basket, shoot the ball inside the basket. So you have to have a goal in everything, and skill will only take you that far. But you need other intangibles like resilience, consistency, working smart, not even working hard. I don't think working hard will be able to like encapsulate everything, but working smart in there. The courage to do hard things the way they say it, because there are a lot of hard things that you get to do. And I mean, talent not required. I don't think that being talented will help you that much. You only carry that far, but without resilience, commitment, hard work, and working smart. If you put hard work and working smart, you have to like put them together. They go hand in hand, because you can work hard and not do the right thing, but you have to work smart and find a system. Because when you're given 70 hours a week, you have to find a system in a way that can be able to like account for what you're doing. So ALX makes you wires you to be able to find a system that works for you, so that you can be able to achieve and at least uh, be able to do execute. Because without a system, I don't believe you'll be able to figure out how to do it and how to move on next. So kind of the program just wires you to think differently and do things differently. So in the first month, I can say that they try to hammer in to your you know they just try to hammer in and make a system for yourself that you're going to be using for the next 11 months. So if you're not able to like consistently create a successful system that works for you to be able to accomplish the task set, unfortunately you won't be able to make it past the second month. Even if you make it past probation, you will make it past the third or fourth month. So you have to at least make a working system, not a software engineering system, like a daily routine that will enable you to wire you to be able to get jobs done, or be able to like understand what you're being taught. So that's one major takeaway. And I believe if you have the commitment and you can create the right routines that will be able to enable you to become successful, those are the things that they look for. And the discipline that you acquire in the process will enable you to learn as well as execute on the job what you're going to be required to do, especially when you're going to something like a company, or you exit into a contract or something. So I mean that's just about it. But in a nutshell, LX is something that it's a program that came in, and sometimes I just wish I just joined earlier, but better late than never. So it's your boy Devin Doritu, and happy coding. Peace out.